Hey everyone, welcome to Online Education Academy ZA. On today's lesson, we'll be finding elements of a one-dimensional array. Right. To find the first element, we'll see out value. So we have a one-dimensional array called value. Int value. It has got 5 elements of an array. We see that it's an array with these square brackets, right? Which is equals to, then we initialize it inside the list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when we say out value and then square bracket 0, so the 0 index will have access to the first element of the array. And then part 1 we have access to all 5 of them. So we have access to this first one. So let me have something so that you can access all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. One last time, 5. So okay. So here it will be indexed 1. So the first index will have access to the second element of the array. And then we will have index number, and then we can have index number 3. We have index 2. So index 2 here, index 0 has access to the first element of the array. Index 1, second element of the array. Index 2, third element of an array. Index 3, we're going to have access to the fourth element of the array. And then index 4, we're going to have access to the fifth element of the array. And then let's display everything in a new line. We'll see out n line. We'll put n line even here. ENDL. And then it's going to be ENDL again. One more n line. ENDL. End of the line of code. Right, we're going to build this code and run it. Let's build. Hopefully we don't have any errors. Okay, we don't have any errors. So we should be seeing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let me zoom in. This is the output 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means we have successfully outputted all of the element in this array. This is how you can output the elements of an array, of a one-dimensional array. Please subscribe on this video for more learning content on Online Education Academy ZA. I love you all.